was your age, I lived on one bowl of stew a day. Stew is a kind word for it.
In Flea Bottom, we called them bowls of brown. We pretend that the meat in them was chicken. We knew it wasn't chicken.
Ooh, I can cook that. I may not be heir to the Iron Throne, but I sure can cook a mean perpetual stew. We'll start with a ration of butter and melt it down until it's nice and frothy. Then we can add our chicken. It's definitely all chicken, just don't look too closely if you're on the poorer end of Flea Bottom. If we're lucky enough to get our hands on some seasonings, we can toss in sea salt and cracked peppercorn, along with summer savory from the north, marjoram from the Tyrells, and a bit of tarragon from the Targaryens. To soak up the grease and excess drippings, we'll add in some barley and get it browning along with everything else. Next, we'll add in whatever vegetables we can get our hands on. Turnips, potatoes, and onions from Sir Davos will give us a good start to our base. But we can continue to build up the flavor with chopped carrots, minced garlic, and a bit of limp celery that's a few days past its prime. Stir it all together, and when the meat starts sticking to the bottom of the pot, we can pour in a goblet of Dornish red and a flagon of frothy ale, and scrape up any brown bits stuck on the bottom. Once the alcohol is simmering off, we'll toss in bay leaves from Baelish and a pitcher of whatever street water or hopefully beef stock that we can find. Once it's all stirred together, bring it to a simmer and let it bubble, perpetually, or until the meat is tender and the barley is swollen with flavor. While it may not be a sophisticated dish served in the castle, these meager bowls of brown will certainly help keep the peasants fed, so long as they aren't heir to the throne. What fictional feast should I make next? Let me know in the comments below. If you like this recipe, don't forget to flip that sub button and ring the dinner bell so you can be notified of my latest recipes and food adventures that I post every week that I remember to. Do you ever get hungry? You can find this recipe and many more with ingredient amounts and step-by-step instructions over on thestarvingchefblog.com. Which banners are you raising this weekend? Are you Team Green or Team Black? Let me know in the comments, and I'll talk to you all soon.